Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Here is our flat Jolly Rancher concept. And thank you to Still Classy for these wonderful concepts that she's coming up with. So this is my version of the Jolly Rancher. These are the hard candy socks with the hard candy bag. I topped this with this beautiful bow. And I actually put colored paper, several different colors of tissue underneath this gift just to give it a little pop around the edges. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Blessings.